Hey, so I was just trolling on the street of social media the other day, and I saw the most dragged man and woman in Nigeria. If you disagree with me, I don't know who would disagree with me that these two people are the most dragged in Nigeria. Like, I'm gonna put their picture on the screen. If there is anybody, drop it on the comment section. If there is anybody in Nigeria, of course, if you are living in Nigeria, if you are in this part of the world, if you are in Nigeria, you know Nigeria very well, you will know that if something happens in Nigeria today and people talk about it, within 2 weeks, another issue will come and sweep yours off the carpet, and we will begin to talk about the new issue. But you see this particular couple, should I call them a couple? Yes, let me do them that favor by calling them a couple for now, before I talk about what I want to talk about. At the end of this video, we'll understand whether they are a couple or they are not. Okay, so these people have been dragged. Once there is a matter, they will just suspend their own for like how many weeks, and then they will go back to their own issue. Now, I was trolling on the street of social media when they welcomed a new baby, but the baby fine, shall let's say the truth, we don't have to include innocent babies in their parents' brouhaha. Yeah, we don't have to bring them in. The baby fine, the baby sweet, the baby is beautiful. So under the comment section, of course, no matter how worse an issue is, there are still people who will support that person. Yes, that one is sure. So the supporters gang, the opposition gang on the comment section, and someone was like, oh, God will continue to bless your union. And I'm like, what union? What union are you talking about? I don't understand. And other people too, that no matter what, God has blessed your marriage, what God has joined together, nobody should put us on. So in a lot of people's eyes, Yul Edochie and Judy Austin are husband and wife. I don't get it. How? When? That leads me to what I want to say in this video. I will continue to re-emphasize on this issue because I am a staunch critic of a chaotic marriage. I don't like it. I don't like it. When I mean chaotic marriage or chaotic relationship, is that marriage where you enter and marry somebody that is already married to another person. No, I don't like it. I don't support it. I will never support it. So I will keep re-emphasizing. Please, as a woman, as a man, ensure that the man that you are intending to marry, if was already married to someone, that marriage has been properly and legally dissolved. If it was a legal marriage, ensure that it has been legally dissolved. That marriage has been brought to an end. There is nothing wrong with marrying a divorcee, but ensure that the divorce process has been gone through and has been concluded before you jump into. It doesn't make any sense. Morally, in this life, it is moral or it is legal. Morally, what Yul Edochie and Judy Austin is doing is wrong, and legally it is wrong. Why is it wrong morally? That one is left for you. Go and think about it. If you like what they are doing, fine. Legally, it is wrong. Yul Edochie and me Edochie were legally married, and then all of a sudden, another woman somewhere. Do we call her a wife? She can never be a wife. By virtue of the Matrimonial Causes Act and the Marriage Act, she is not a wife. They are just cohabiting. If you want to disagree with me, go and disagree with the law. Okay? I have said it countless times that under the Matrimonial Causes Act, when there is a subsisting marriage. Subsisting marriage means no divorce proceeding has been done and done with. Even if the couple, the man and the woman, the former wife, are having issues at the moment, it still does not mean that you have every right to jump into the marriage. They are still married. Even when there is a judicial separation, they are still very married until a divorce proceedings has been gone through and done with. So when there is a subsisting marriage, when there is a statutory marriage going on between a man and a woman, either of the parties cannot marry any other person, either under the act or under customary law. You cannot marry. Some people used to have this misunderstanding that, okay, since it was statutory marriage that we did, that is court marriage, the one that laymen call court marriage, we call it marriage under the act or registry marriage, that since the first marriage was marriage under the act, okay, they can go ahead and marry under customary law, like they can do their marriage, that they can go ahead and do another marriage traditionally. No. Once you submit to statutory law marriage, you don't even have the liberty to conduct any other form of marriage, whether statutory or customary, that is traditional. You cannot do that. So what Yul Edochie is doing and Judy Austin is just cohabitation. They are just cohabiting, which is, well, like I said, if you find it okay, you can keep supporting them. As for me, I can never support such a thing. So as a woman or a man, ensure that your intending partner has gone through the dissolution proceedings properly and it has been concluded. Now, somebody may ask that, what if this person was married in another country? Under the Matrimonial Causes Act and the Marriage Act, our court here in Nigeria admits such a divorce certificate. They want to see it. No matter where that marriage was conducted, you have to provide the dissolution of marriage certificate for confirmation before you can go ahead and marry your partner. Please don't, all these things no good now. Morally it is wrong, legally it is wrong. They keep fooling themselves. I even heard that it's a rumor though, I don't know how true that is, that in their last court sitting, Yul was claiming that him and Judy are just what is it called, content creators, that they are not married. Content creators, and you are dating children. Content creators, and you people are doing my, okay, so whatever, that's for them. So I just did this video to re-emphasize, to remind you again of what to do properly. Always follow the proper steps to do something. Go about your marriage the right way. Don't go about it the corner, the crooked way. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment, and turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there is an upload coming from me. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.